I will now quickly teach you how to use the new ChatGPT Search feature in a way that even a monkey will understand. This is
Teach a Monkey AI.
Step 1. Use the fingers on your hands and type www.chatgpt.com -1W. Warning, this feature will only work if you're a paid user. That means $20 a month. Step 2. You see this blue circle? Go ahead and click it. Only when it's blue, it means it's activated. The stuff that comes up here is what's trending. Ignore it. Step 3. Type anything as if you would in Google. Top 3 cheapest flights from Paris, France, all the way to Lagos, Nigeria. And I want to make sure it is a round trip. Boom! Hit enter. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. How much time would you have saved? Step 4. What makes this very powerful is at the end of everything, you will always see this clickable button that takes you to the source. And if you click on it, guess what happens? You got it. We go to the source. Look at this. It's filled out the place and the dates, and we got our own trip. And boom, how much time would this have saved you? Now you can do the same thing for so many things. You can search for what movies are in your cinema, a restaurant that is open now, compare iPhone with Google Pixel in a table. Boom, just like that, clean, in your face, exactly what you want. No more random links and ads. No more Google telling you 5 ways to know if your dog is depressed. Now this was the quick and dirty version. If you want the longer advanced ways to use this feature, click here for the long advanced version. Now let me know if this video was too fast for you in the comments below. But if you like the way it's fast and snappy, then comment down below. Keep on monkeying.